There's a special magic that happens when the right song hits during a drive. It's more than just background noise, it's the soundtrack to your journey, setting the mood for every mile. Whether you're cruising through city lights or winding down a quiet country road, music has the power to transform the ordinary into something memorable. The music isn't just heard, it's felt. The rhythm pulses through your fingertips, the beat syncs with your heartbeat, and suddenly you're not just a driver, you're part of the music itself. The deep, resonant bass transforms your car into a private concert, adding depth and emotion to every track. It's the low-end frequencies that give music its power, making every note richer and every chorus more impactful. Most factory sound systems fall short, especially in reproducing those low frequencies that make music come alive. Without proper bass, songs can sound flat, lifeless, and lacking the energy that makes you want to turn up the volume. That's where a subwoofer steps in. A speaker built to handle the bass and sub-bass regular speakers can't touch. It's designed to deliver those deep vibrations that you can feel in your chest, bringing a new dimension to your favorite tracks. It's not about rattling windows or overwhelming your senses, it's about experiencing music the way artists intended, with every kick drum and bass line felt as much as heard. The right bass brings out the emotion in a song, making every drive unforgettable. Upgrading your car's audio with a subwoofer fills in the missing pieces, turning flat sound into a dynamic, immersive experience. Suddenly, your car becomes a place where you can escape, unwind, and truly connect with your music. The difference is like watching a blockbuster on your phone versus in a theater with earth-shaking sound. The impact, the clarity, and the excitement are on a whole new level. For music lovers, adequate isn't enough. Clarity, impact, and definition matter. You want to hear every detail, from the subtle pluck of a bass guitar to the thunder of a kick drum. The journey from factory sound to full-bodied audio is about more than volume. It's about transforming your car into a sanctuary for music. It's about creating a space where you can lose yourself in every song, every time you drive. The real question isn't whether to upgrade, but how. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to know where to start. Do you go budget or invest in premium? Is it worth spending more for that extra punch? Or can you get by with something simple? That's where the debate begins. Everyone has their own priorities. Some crave thunderous bass, others want balance and clarity. So, what do you value most in your listening experience? Is it the thrill of deep bass, the clarity of vocals, or the overall balance that makes your music come alive? Let's break down the options and find the perfect sound for your drive. Budget subwoofers are designed for accessibility. Brands like Boss Audio or Pile offer entry-level options that bring bass to the masses for a couple $100. These subwoofers are perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their car's sound system without breaking the bank. They're widely available, easy to find online or at your local electronics store, and are often the first step for new car audio enthusiasts. These all-in-one packages are easy to install and make a big difference over factory sound, using cost-effective materials to keep prices low. Most budget subs come with everything you need in the box, so you don't have to hunt down extra parts or pay for professional installation. It's a straightforward way to get more bass and a fuller sound in your daily drive. You'll get treated paper or polypropylene cones, basic foam surrounds, and functional but modest magnets. These materials are chosen to balance performance and affordability, so while you won't get earth-shattering power, you will notice a clear improvement over stock speakers. The goal: more bass, less hassle, and a price that's hard to beat. For many, that's all they need to enjoy their favorite music on the road. On the other hand, premium subwoofers from brands like JL Audio, Sundown, or Focal are built for performance, not compromise. These are for listeners who demand the best and are willing to invest in top-tier sound quality. Expect advanced materials, carbon fiber, Kevlar or aluminum cones, massive motor structures, and precision engineering. These components are designed to handle more power, deliver deeper bass, and reproduce music with incredible accuracy and detail. These subs start at several $100s and can climb into the thousands, requiring separate amps and custom enclosures. Installation is more complex, often involving custom wiring and tuning to get the most out of your investment. The payoff? Unmatched accuracy, detail, and power for true audiophiles. Every note is crisp, every beat is powerful, and the listening experience is truly immersive. Every component is optimized for fidelity, even at extreme volumes. Premium subs are built to last, handling high output without distortion or loss of quality. The difference isn't just in the specs, it's in the listening. Whether you're a casual listener or a dedicated audiophile, you'll notice the upgrade. Let's discuss how that sounds, and explore what sets these two worlds of car audio apart. The biggest difference between budget and premium subs is sound quality. While both can add bass to your music, the experience they offer is vastly different. Budget subs add bass, but it's often boomy and lacks definition. Notes blur together and the bass can overwhelm the music. This can make the overall listening experience less enjoyable, especially if you appreciate clarity and detail in your sound. This is due to flexible cones and less precise motor structures, which introduce distortion and slow response. These components simply can't keep up with the demands of complex music, leading to a muddled sound. For casual listening or bass-heavy genres, it's fun, but nuance is lost. You might enjoy the thumping bass, but you'll miss out on the finer details that make music truly engaging. Premium subs, by contrast, deliver tight, punchy, and detailed bass. They are designed to reproduce the low frequencies accurately, providing a more authentic and immersive listening experience. You'll hear the texture of a plucked string, the impact of a kick drum, and every note in a fast bass line. This level of detail can transform your music, making it feel more alive and dynamic. Advanced materials and engineering mean the cone moves precisely, tracking complex rhythms with ease. This precision ensures that every beat is delivered with clarity and power. The result bass that enhances the music not just shakes the car, it adds depth and richness to your sound, making every listening session a pleasure. The difference is fundamental. Premium subs blend seamlessly with your system, creating a balanced, immersive soundstage. This integration is key to achieving a high-quality audio experience. For critical listeners, this clarity is everything. It allows them to hear the music as it was intended to be heard, with all its subtleties and nuances. It's not just more bass, it's better bass. The quality of the bass can make a significant difference in your overall listening experience. That's what sets premium apart. Investing in a high-quality subwoofer can elevate your audio experience to new heights. Pick up a budget subwoofer and you'll notice it's light. Stamped steel baskets, basic cones, and foam surrounds keep costs down. These materials work, but they're prone to wear, resonance, and degradation over time. Adhesives and wiring are chosen for price, not longevity, and terminals are often basic clips. Budget subs aren't fragile, but durability isn't the priority. Premium subs are a different story. Heavy, rigid cast aluminum baskets, exotic cone materials, and robust rubber surrounds. Every detail is engineered for performance and longevity, from high-temp adhesives to woven tinsel leads. Superior thermal management prevents overheating even during long, loud sessions. These are subs built to last, not just to play loud. The difference is obvious the moment you handle them. Quality construction means years of reliable, high-impact sound. Premium brands like JL Audio and Focal have earned their reputations through decades of innovation and quality. Buying from them means expert support, robust warranties, and confidence in your investment. Their customer service is top-notch, with detailed manuals and real technical help. Budget brands focus on value. Lots of features for less money, but quality control can be hit or miss. Support is often limited and warranties may be less comprehensive. You're trading price for peace of mind. Consider what matters more, upfront savings or long-term support. So, is a premium subwoofer worth it? It depends on you. If you want a simple, affordable upgrade for daily drives, a budget sub delivers big impact for little money. For audiophiles craving detail and accuracy, premium is the only way to go. The difference is clear when you listen. Tight, controlled bass versus a one-note rumble. The right choice is the one that makes your music come alive within your budget. What's in your trunk, and why did you choose it? Share your story in the comments below. Remember to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.